Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to avail vouchers on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to avail vouchers on Lazada. Maybe because you want the vouchers so that you could use them to get the products on discount. Or maybe you have heard a lot about the vouchers on the Lazada app that they are very much beneficial. They give you a lot of benefit financially, so you want to give it a try. Or maybe you have seen a voucher and you don't know how to avail it. Or there could be any other reason for you to avail vouchers on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can avail vouchers on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have different products, categories, and different options on our home screen. From all these products, you could purchase them. So now if you want to avail vouchers, so you have to go to the products. Some of the products have vouchers, but some of the products don't have vouchers. So you have to just look at and then you could find it. There's another voucher on our home screen, as you can see right now on the right side. You can get these vouchers maybe or not be, because it depends on the account to an account. Sometimes it gives voucher to some people and sometimes it does not. So you have to just look for it. You just have to simply click on collect, and after that you can collect this voucher. After that, we will get back and look for the vouchers that are on products. So here we have this product. I'll tap on it and then the different products will open and then I'll click onto the product. Once I get to the product, I will scroll down and there you will see we have an option which says vouchers. So some of the product have this option and some of the products have not this option. So here I'll scroll down and there you see we have this option voucher. Under it we have multiple vouchers. So if you want to avail it, you just have to simply click on collect and these vouchers will get to you and then you can apply them later on. So now we will get back to another product and we'll see if that product has vouchers on it or not. So this is the shirt. I opened it and now we will scroll down and we'll see if we can get any vouchers or not. So here you can see we don't have any vouchers because this product does not carry any vouchers. So you cannot get any vouchers on it. So here we will get one other product. So here I've opened this watch. Now I'll scroll down and there you can see we have vouchers. It also has multiple ones, so you can also avail it by just simply clicking on collect. After that, this voucher will be added to your account and then you can use it later. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can avail vouchers on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.